Hey guys, welcome to Trial by Fire product reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Allreli charging cable for the iPod, iPhone, and iPads. This is the lightning connection, as you can see there. This charging cable is about 6 feet long. It is one of the braided ones, so it's a good sturdy cable. And as you can tell, it's got good solid ends on it. Very sturdy cable. My only concern with the braided cables is they're very easy to kink, as you can see there, where the other cables are not. However, these are pretty durable when it comes to the strength of the cable itself. So they've all got their pros and cons, but I do like these. I've got quite a few of them. I keep them in different places, and I like the longer length like this. 6 feet's a pretty good length. So, yeah, I'd recommend these here. Again, this is by Allreli. So take a look at them. The links will be in the description below. And be sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching Trial by Fire product reviews.